Hi friends, welcome to Be Productive. Here is the list of underrated YouTube channels where you can learn programming. The first one is Codevolution. This YouTuber explains everything in the simplest way to make you understand the topic. The topics are focused on JS-related topics like TypeScript, React, and Angular. The quality of the content is great. You should subscribe to this channel if you are looking for practical, hands-on tutorials. The second one is Coding Addict. This coding channel offers a complete 3 hours plus courses of JavaScript, React.js, and many other technologies for free of cost. The third one is called Steel. The YouTube channel by an Udemy instructor focuses on JavaScript learning resources. He has recently started beginner-level courses. The fourth one is CA's Dojo. This channel is all about competitive programming. The content includes tricks and tips for competitive programming. The fifth one is Design Course. The content on this channel is a combination of development and design knowledge. He has been making regular videos on both design and development. The sixth one, Florin Pop. This young developer comes up with challenges such as 100 Days Project, Solving Free Code Camp, Code Wars.js, etc. You will get motivated after seeing his motivation and determination towards programming. The seventh one is Anya Kubo. This channel by Anya Kubo will help you learn how to build JavaScript-based games. This channel offers a thorough guide about building projects. You need some level of experience of JavaScript to watch her videos. The eighth one is the Net Ninja. The YouTuber has a lot of detailed hands-on videos on different technologies. He makes you understand everything with ease. When you start learning the theoretical knowledge of a particular language, you will be able to learn with ease. Thanks for watching. For more videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel.